Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to change the color of a circle light indicator that shows up around phone camera in Samsung. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. Let me go to the lock screen. So now you can see here a circle light indicator showing up on the front camera. So how you can change the color of this circle light indicator. So for this, just open the Galaxy Store and just search for one application named as Good Lock. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So if this Good Lock is not available for your respective Samsung smartphone, then what you can do is just open the Play Store and just search for Find Lock. On the first list you'll see the application. So you can install the Find Lock on your Samsung smartphone where Good Lock is not being supported. So firstly you install either Good Lock or Find Lock, whichever supports your Samsung smartphone, and after that just open the Good Lock or Find Lock, and now just click on this plugins, and after that just download this Lockstar. So finally the download and installation has been completed. Now just click on this Lockstar. Now just allow the permission, just turn off. Click on allow. Now just tap on this circle icon. Now at the bottom you will see here tons of color options, so you can keep checking. So you can see here the circle light indicators color is changing whichever color I'm selecting. So you can see the preview. So it has a tons of colors which you can select. So let me select the red one. Now you can see here. So once you're done, click on this done. Now this settings has been set. Now you can minimize it. So let us go to the lock screen again. Now you can see the circle light indicators color is being changed to red. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily change the color of a circle light indicator that shows up around front camera in Samsung very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.